All right, I'm going to try to show you how to do the custom puddle lights for a GMC. Well, I have an AT4X, but it's basically the same thing for a GMC Sierra. I don't know about the Yukons, but they should be basically the same. So I already did this one, as you can see right on there. Hit the unlock button. It'll come on, and then you can see the puddle light will be AT4X. Okay, so in the box they give you 2 lights and a little screwdriver. I found that this little screwdriver is just a little bit too small for the tab that you have to get. So on the original lights, you have this tab here, and that sits up underneath right there. So you have this little slot you can push in and get where the lights to come out. On here, you have the custom puddle lights. On the custom puddle lights, you'll see a L and an R, of course, left and right. Which some people don't understand is it's left while you're sitting in the car looking forward. So your left is going to be your driver's side. Your right is going to be your passenger side. And then it has these little 2 connectors on the end of it. On the stock one, it's mounted like this. But it seems to be, it's got a nice seal on it. And I like the wires a little bit longer because there's plenty of room up there. So let's get the other one out. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. The other one came out relatively easy. So, stick it up in here. Push on it a little bit. And it will pop out. There you go. And that's it. You disconnect this one and reconnect the other one. It's relatively easy. Okay. No, I'm having my wife help me because I couldn't do it with one hand. So this comes out. All right.
Oh, look at the camera.
With DC, it doesn't matter which side goes in where. It's just positive and negative. There's one side. There's the other side. I did check the other one when I put it in just to make sure it worked. So we'll do the same to this one. Yeah, we got the AT4X on my hand. All right.
That's what's cool.
Yeah. Okay, so now I need to put it in. The other one went in relatively easy. Let's hope this one does too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There's a little lip right here. It's got to go up on here.
Oh.
Once that goes in. Okay, let me see. Honey.
That now?
Yeah, sure. Way. Okay, pause. Fine. Okay, well, it went in. The other side popped right in. This side gave us a little bit of trouble. Every time this side would be sticking out, and it shouldn't be. And then we paused it, and I tried it 2 or 3 times, and nothing. We went over to look on the other side, and it's the same. And then I came back, and I put it in, and click, right in. So I don't know why I had a hard time with this one, but the other one was easy. As soon as I started filming this one, it wasn't. So let's just make sure it works. All right, unlock. AT4X. So they do have Denali. They do have, I think, Yukon. They have GMC. They have AT4. They did not have AT4X, which I wanted. So I ended up special ordering it. And that was a Merry Christmas to me. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.